Hey Nailholics, welcome back to another video, and if you're new, welcome. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing, swatching, and reviewing one of the Modelones Color Cubes. I'm so excited to finally get my hands on one of these. I purchased it from Amazon. I think I paid $8 for it and some change. I'm not really 100% sure, but I'll definitely have the link in the description box for anyone that is interested. So first, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys the box that it comes in. It's really pretty. I love the iridescent accents on the box. I think it's so pretty. So this is the back, and this is the front. It's really pretty. I love the box that it comes in. So now let's go ahead and open it. And I thought it was just gonna like slide right out, but it didn't. They have it packaged really well, really secure in there. But I was surprised to see that it came with a brush. I didn't know it came with a brush. It's really cute. It's super tiny. This would actually be a really nice cleanup brush. But this is what it looks like. I'm gonna have to loosen it up with some acetone later. And here's the little cover for it, so I love that. That's super cute. Now they also have a user manual that comes with the color cube, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show that to you guys. Here is the front, and here is the back. And then on the bottom of this, they also have a picture of all their other color cubes as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and fold this up and set it to the side, and then we can actually get into our color cube. Now we can finally talk about the color cube. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. I love it. So this is the back. This is the name of the cube that I got. I got Refreshing Grapefruit. And when you open it, this is what it looks like. It looks like a little makeup compact. It's so cute. And then there's a sticker right here. It says water droplets or bubbles upon unpacking are normal and won't affect usage. So I was a little confused about that, but when I peeled back the sticker, I noticed that there were in fact some water droplets on some of the colors, as you can see. So it's a good thing that they had that note right there, because I would have been like, what is going on? But I think this is so cute. I really love the idea and the creativity behind this. It's just like a makeup palette for your fingernails. Like, I love it. It's so cute. It's really cute. I love it. So before I get started on the swatches, I'm gonna go ahead and loosen up the bristles of my brush with some acetone, and that's just gonna allow the brush to be flexible so that I'm able to properly use it. So starting with the first color in our cube, I'm gonna go in with this white. And now I have to say, my first impression picking up the color, I know this is supposed to be like a solid cream is what they say, and that's really the best way to describe it. It's like it goes on really smooth, like what could I compare this to? It's like butter. It's definitely like, if I had to compare it to something, definitely butter. And that's exactly what it is. So this is how the first coat turned out, and the colors do go on nice and smooth. It's just that it is a bit streaky, and I don't know if it is the consistency or the brush or both, but I applied a second coat, and this is what the second coat looks like. And again, I'm still seeing that streakiness, like it doesn't have a super even coverage, so I decided to go in with a third coat, and this is how it looks. I also went ahead and applied my top coat, and you already know top coat ties everything together. So the colors are really nice. It does have a nice pigment. It's very pretty. I just think that because it is a little thicker than traditional gel, it doesn't level out the same, and that's probably why I'm having those issues with the streakiness. So these are the first 5 colors. So now I'm gonna go in and finish swatching the last 4 for you guys. So starting where I left off, I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna let you watch me do the first coat, and then I'm gonna show you the second and third coat, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So this is how the first coat turned out, and here is the second coat. And I think because these colors are a bit darker, it does hide it a little bit more, but you can definitely still see the inconsistency. So I did go in with a third coat, and this is how it turned out. And I went ahead and applied my top coat, and the colors are beautiful, you guys. Definitely beautiful colors. For my final thoughts on the color cube, I would more recommend this for personal use 100%, like, you know, giving it out as a gift, or, you know, wanting to treat yourself to like a at-home mani-pedi. I think it would be cute for like even like a sleepover event. But as far as using it in the salon, I just don't think it's practical. I think it would slow me down because I would have to apply 3 coats to get a nice even coverage, just because it doesn't really self-level like traditional gel polish does. And also, I don't realistically know how much I could get done with just 1 cube. I do plan on doing a full press-on nail set in my next video using one of these colors, and then that way I can kind of judge more, you know, how much I could really get done with 1 cube. But that's just my honest professional opinion. I do really like it, like I said, for personal use, but in the salon, not so much. So that's it for today's video, you guys. Please give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe.